June the 11th, 2014. Guys, we're looking at the X-ray flux chart out of Boulder. We've had three events in 2 days. So the X flares from yesterday, the one this morning, and now in the last frame you see a strong M flare. I'll show you that also on the proton chart. But each time you see those events spike, this sunspot we're watching in the bottom left is getting closer to Earth. Now it takes about 14 days to go halfway around the sun. Now this is the one from this morning. These are not yesterday's flares. And then in the last frame, it's just starting to emerge, is that M flare. We'll get newer images, and I'll have those after Vernon Hill's show tonight. I will link that. Mike from Around the World is going to be there. Pastor Paul, the Hagman will be there. And there's a couple other guests will be there with Vernon. So I'll link that in the description and the comments. Here is the proton chart from this morning's event and the last one we're looking at. Now, this goes back from the 7th up until the last frames of today. Coming up on, you see the 9th and the timestamp will come up on the 10th. You're going to see the X flares there. You'll see the one from this morning as it starts to get the frames. Now, these will be updated. We'll see more of the coronal mass ejection from the X flare this morning. But this is the ones from yesterday. Very powerful. Now, again, we're going to see a side glancing blow from these tomorrow night. We'll update that time. But they're saying the Friday UTC, but that's going to put us late into the night, around midnight, our time. So we'll update that. But I will link Brother Vernon's show in the description and the comments. Heads up, be safe.